So this is Friday the 23rd of August and I'm in Gandia and I'm attempting this on my own without anyone pushing the chair, which is going to be interesting. And Gandia is quite flat, so I can get out of the chair and walk a little bit, but not much. So I hope to do a little bit of walking and a lot of pushing. And I've got a chest strap now, and with the camera on the chest strap, so I can sort of steer the chair with the wheels. So we're going to give it a try and have a wander around and see what's here on a Friday morning, and I'll bring it all to you, and hopefully you'll enjoy the video. If you do, please subscribe. It costs nothing and it does help the channel. Okay, bye, ciao. So we're coming up towards the bridge now, which goes over to the centre of the town, and Gandia is such a popular place. I know that if you watch my videos, you know that I absolutely love it here, and if I had to move at any time, I would definitely move to this town. But it seems to sort of had a lot of momentum in respect of a lot of other people moving here as well. And I've had lots of sort of messages saying that, you know, we're moving to Gandia. So it's obviously quite a popular place. And I think, you know, it's a nice town. It's a small town, but it's nice, you know, and it's got a massive beach. we've got this giant statue in front of us, and it's made in, I don't know, plates of metal of some sort. I mean, I don't think it's silver because it would be too expensive. But yeah, it's quite impressive, and it's about, I don't know, about 5 or 6 meters high. Yeah, it's got to be that much, I reckon. But yeah, it's pretty damn big. So it's worth looking at, that one. And in this little square, you can see behind me that there are lots of bars. So another nice little square that you can come to with plenty of places to eat and drink. This is all around the same area. This is not very far. It's only taken me a few minutes to get here, and that's, you know, obviously wheeling myself in the chair. So, but if you look behind me, you can see all the bars behind me, and plenty of places to come and have a sit down out of the heat. They've all got umbrellas, of course. So yeah, another nice place that I found here. So behind me here, I got the town hall, and this is quite a nice little square. It's got a beautiful old church here right in the middle, and it's got several bars here. Quite a lot of them are closed at the moment, whether they're closed for holidays, because obviously it is August, or whether it's early, because a lot of places don't open until sort of 11 o'clock, because obviously they work all the way through the day, through the evening. But yeah, it's a lovely little setting here if you want to come and have something to eat, or just sit around and have a drink. But it's a nice place to come. Because as you all know, there's history here. You've got the Borgia Palace here. And also there's a lot of retail shopping here as well. There's an art gallery. They have a lot of festivals here as well. They have a lot of events on the beach as well, you know, music events. There's several chiringuitos on the beach, if you want to go to them. They've got a very large bandstand on the beach as well, where they have live music. So it's quite a happening place